12-year-old Arin hadn't spoken much since his father passed away. The house felt emptier, quieter. His mother tried her best to smile, but Arin could see the sadness in her eyes, the same sadness that lived in his own chest. His father, once so full of life and laughter, was gone, and with him, it seemed, all the color had left the world. Every night, Arin dreamed of his father, but one night, something felt different. In his dream, Arin stood in a vast field under a starlit sky. The wind whispered through the grass, and in the distance, he saw a small pink glow. He walked toward it, drawn by a warmth he couldn't explain. As he got closer, he saw it, a pink lantern floating above the ground. It pulsed softly, like a heartbeat. He reached out and touched it, and suddenly, he heard his father's voice. "Arin?" it whispered. "You have to wake up. There's something waiting for you." Arin gasped and sat up in bed, his heart pounding. The dream had felt so real. Drawn by something he couldn't explain, Arin slipped out of bed, grabbed the old pink lantern his father used during garden nights, and tiptoed outside. The garden, once their shared place of laughter and planting, was bathed in moonlight. Fireflies danced through the air. He lit the lantern. The soft pink glow returned, just like in his dream. As the light flickered and spread through the garden, the plants seemed to wake, their leaves rustling gently in response. A breeze picked up, lifting Arin's hair. He stood still, the lantern held high. Then, something magical happened. Above him, in the wide sky, the stars shimmered, and words began to appear, written in the same pink light as the lantern. "I am always with you. I never left. Dad." Tears streamed down Arin's cheeks. He reached up as if to touch the words, feeling the warmth in his chest grow. He whispered, "I miss you." The words glowed brighter, then slowly faded into the stars. But Arin didn't feel alone anymore. For the first time since his father's passing, he smiled a small, honest smile. He knew his father wasn't truly gone. His love was in the wind, in the garden, in the stars, and in the lantern's soft light. Arin held the lantern close and whispered, "I'll make you proud." From that day on, Arin visited the garden every night with the pink lantern. He planted seeds, sang songs they once shared, and told the stars about his day. And sometimes, just sometimes, the sky would answer glowing faintly with the words of love from a father who never really left.